Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Anytime Medicine, and my name is Akash Mangugia and I'm 4th year medical student doing my clinical rotation. And today again we are going to talk about next examination that are going to occur, probably going to occur in 2023. And today in this video we are going to see some pros and cons and advantage or the disadvantage of the next examination. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel Anytime Medicine so you cannot miss my future videos. I'm gonna discuss this kind of topic very oftenly now. And make sure that if you like this video, then hit the like button below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are gonna discuss disadvantages of next examination first, and later in the video we are gonna discuss advantages of next examination. So the first disadvantage that we are gonna talk about is that you have to prepare all the subjects of MBBS for next examination. It's not like university or college exam that held every year. This is next examination and you have to prepare for all the subjects, and they will ask you from all the subjects in next examination. So there will be only 2 chances given to pass the next examination. If you don't pass next exam in those 2 chances, you will be considered just as 10 plus 2 even if you have degree of MBBS, but you cannot practice without next examination because next examination will give you the license to practice in India. So yeah, if you have passed your final year examination and you got your degree from the university or college, you cannot go on practicing because you have to give next examination to obtain your license to practice. Second is that there will be 50% reservation for those who has already worked 3 years in rural areas or gave their services into rural areas. So there will be only 50% left for those who have just passed MBBS, and we will be forced to join classes to prepare for that. So final year MBBS and interns will focus more on the subject based knowledge rather than the clinical knowledge from the hospitals. So they will stop attending their posting and they will more focus on the subject knowledge. But passing just the theoretical exam, it doesn't mean that you have clinical skills. So that will be the disadvantage of this exam too. So the third disadvantage is that if we couldn't secure the PG seat in PG exam, we would be working in the hospital and getting some amount or the money. But now we cannot do that because we don't have license until we pass next exam. So we cannot work to get some money. So you have to wait to pass your exam, and only after that you can work. Whether you are male or female, you are giving 7 to 10 years into this field, including the residency. But in your life, this time is very challenging to have or to start a family. Many people start a family, but this isn't just easy. And for an Indian household, there will be lots of pressure to get married in your 20s. So it won't be easy to focus on your career at the same time start a family. So now we are gonna talk about the advantages of this exam. But before that, if you're liking this video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So let's see the advantages of the next examination. So there will be only one common exit exam. So quality of doctors that will come out after this exam will be maintained by only one authority and not by any individual's university or colleges. So this exam substitute 3 more exams, which is NEET PG exam, FMG exam and Central Health Services exam. So it will substitute these 3 exams, so you won't have to give this exam separately. An FMG student like me won't feel that they are being treated differently than any other person that doing MBBS in India. So there will be no partiality in this exam. So there will remain only one exam for all PG seats, and thus everyone will have fair chances to get those seats. Second advantage is that you will be tested like you have probably not have been tested before. I don't mean to grade this exam, but I mean your character, unless you have been through extreme in your life by circumstances or military special forces training. Med school will bring out the best and worst of yours. Even bringing out worst is good thing because you will know that what you have to work on most in your character. You sometimes don't know what is inside you until you squeeze hard. So the third advantage is that this exam is for license exam. Since this is a license exam, students have to read more material in their internship too, and hence it will improve the chances of getting PG seat in first attempt. Fourth advantage is that it will standardize all your marks from your university or college so that everyone would be given admission into PG just based on one examination, and this would alleviate the confusion. So in the summary, I would like to tell you that I want you guys to focus on advantages rather than the disadvantages, because thinking about just disadvantages will make you more demotivated. So it is what it is. You are liking it or not, this is going to happen. So your liking will not change any rule or any examination. So you have to be motivated and prepared for the worst. Because I know that this examination is going to be harder because it is substituting so many exams. So it will be harder than the most of those exams. Exam will be hard, question pattern will be changed, but our body will not change. Our body is the same. So if your concepts are clear, you are good to go. Because concept of the body is not changing. They are just the same as they were before. So if your concepts are clear, however they will ask you, you will give the answers. So you have to keep going forward until you reach your destination. Nobody can stop you if your will is strong to achieve something that you want. I myself have so many dreams to achieve and I am working for it. So that's it for the motivation. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what your thoughts are in this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.